Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome to my channel Nikki's Cookbook. Today's recipe is a creamy, delicious and mouth-watering mutton Afghani. So let's get started. I have taken around 800 grams of mutton here in a pressure cooker. Into this goes 2 black cardamoms, 3 small pieces of cinnamon, 1 onion chopped, 1 teaspoon of salt, and into this I have added 1 to 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste as well, and then give it a good mix and then pressure cook it for around 4 whistles and then for around 15 minutes on sim. Now in the meantime I have taken 200 grams of curds. Into this goes 100 grams of cream. Beat it well and keep it aside. And in a mixer grinder we will add 1 onion, 10 to 15 garlic, 2 small pieces of ginger, 3 green chilies chopped, and a handful of cilantro, that is coriander leaves. Now we are going to add some water and then grind it into a smooth paste. Remove it in a vessel, and then into this we will add the curds and the cream mixture, salt as required, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of chaat masala, and 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon of dried fenugreek leaves, that is kasuri methi. Give it a good mix. And then into this we will squeeze in half of a lemon. And now we can see in the meantime that our mutton is around 90% done. Now we will put these pieces into the marinade that we have prepared, and we will keep it in this marinade for around 10 minutes. Now on a pan, add some oil, and then we are going to grease the pan well with the oil and heat it. And then once the oil heats up, we will put in our mutton pieces, the marinated mutton pieces. We are going to fry these pieces. Now once you see that the surface of the mutton is a little brown, it gets a little browning effect, you should just flip it and just brown both the sides of the mutton. Now in another vessel we are going to add a little bit of oil, a teaspoon is enough. Into this we will add the marinade that was left behind after we put the mutton in it. Add some oil and get the marinade to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, just give it a good mix and then let it thicken a little, and then we will add this cooked marinade onto the fried mutton, and then again we will let this marinade thicken a little for some time till it leaves all the oil. It will take around 10 to 15 minutes, and then the rest of the mutton will get cooked up in this, and it will become tender and creamy, and a delicious mutton Afghani gravy is ready. You can relish it with parathas, chapatis, tandoori rotis, or even rice. I hope you like my recipe. Please do subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon for notifications, and until next time, goodbye.